Welcome to the Tech News Fix It channel, and this is an interesting article that actually it's a article derived from some information coming from Gartner. That is a company that looks at statistics of different technologies, and one of the numbers that they actually came out with is, of course, in the workplace, the more and more as time goes by, we will have artificial intelligence that will be used. So AI will be used for all sorts of things, including kind of tracking you down while you work to make sure that you're efficient and that the work that you do is good. And now, that also brings its host of questions and of a lot of people kind of, not liking the fact that it kind of infringes a little bit on the privacy of the worker and so on. Well, according to Gartner, by 2023, there'll be up to 10% of workers that will actually either have found a way or will try to trick the AI of their workplace. So this is kind of an interesting statistics, and kind of showing that, tracking and having snooping and looking at your work all the time is not necessarily the best thing to do. And, it could be maybe in some cases, but it's going to be a tricky one. It's going to be interesting to see. So as many as 10% of employees will try to avoid this by using all sorts of tricks and try to find little faults here and there in the structure of how the AI is working at the workplace. So kind of interesting to see this. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.